Welcome to our channel. Today we have something extra special lined up for you. Get ready to embark on a journey into the intriguing realm of the dark web. We'll uncover the secrets behind the dark web, peek into its hidden corners, and understand why it's best to stay away. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating but risky world. We'll equip ourselves with the knowledge to navigate the internet safely and make responsible choices. The dark web is part of the deep web. In simple terms, deep web is the part of the internet that isn't catalogued by search engines. The dark web specifically is where most of the illegal and disturbing stuffs take place. The dark web is a huge marketplace for criminals and is said to generate at least $500,000 per day. To access the dark web, though we wouldn't recommend it, your standard browser isn't going to cut it. You need to get the Onion router, or Tor for short. Tor is both a browser and a network with volunteer computers. While the size of the surface web is substantial, it pales in comparison to the size of the deep web and dark web. Some estimate the deep web is about 400 to 500 times larger. Normal currency can't be used on the dark web. Users regularly depend on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to make market transactions. These are especially popular because they're virtually untraceable. Many hackers sell their services either individually or as a part of groups. Such groups include Ecstatic, Darkcode, and the Real Deal Darknet market. Some have been to track and extort apparent pedophiles. Cybercrimes and hacking service for financial institutions and banks have also been offered over the dark web. The type of content that has the most popularity on the dark web is illegal pornography, more specifically child pornography. About 80% of its web traffic is related to accessing child pornography, despite it being difficult to find even on the dark web. Alexander Barter, who was only 21 years old, accessed the dark web in 2018 and posted a message seeking a 13-year-old girl for him to rape and referred to it as his ghost. Unfortunately for Barter, there was a police officer present on the dark web at that time who took advantage of the situation and contacted him. The officer proposed a plan in which they would go hiking with the girl and engage in harmful activities together. Alexander agreed to the plan, stating that he would pay $27,037, equivalent to 10 bitcoins for it. They set a time and location for the meeting, and Alexander went to the designated mountain. However, it turned out to be a setup, and instead of the girl, he was met by the police. As a result of his actions, Alexander Barter was sentenced to 40 years in federal prison for attempting to rape, kill, and eat a child, as well as for his illegal activities on the dark. That's why we advise you to stay safe and refrain from engaging in any illegal activities. Now, let's get back to the dark web. This incident highlights the illegal and dangerous nature of accessing the dark web. For instance, there was an American resident named Darius who had heard about the dark web and wanted more information. He used the Tor browser to log into the dark web, taking safety precautions such as using a VPN to protect his identity. However, he was unaware that dark web hackers could bypass VPNs. While exploring the dark web, Darius came across illegal activities involving a gun and drug sales, as well as the torture of young girls. To this horror, he stumbled upon a site with the title, "Want a surprise? Click this link." Intrigued, he clicked the link and a live stream started, revealing a dark room with only a chair and complete darkness. Suddenly, a message appeared in the chat from the link's administrator saying, "Let the games begin." The gate to the room opened and an individual entered with a gagged girl whom they proceeded to tie to the chair and torture. Viewers of the live stream had the option to pay Bitcoin through the chat and request specific forms of torture on the girl. Shocked and disturbed, Darius decided to close the link and exit the dark web. However, an admin pop-up message appeared on his screen, warning him. Leaving so soon, Darius? Darius became even more fearful and tried to cut again, but an admin pop-up message appeared on the screen. If you try to close it, you will take the girl's place. Though skeptical, Darius was overcome with fear. Suddenly, the admin revealed Darius' address in the chat. In a state of panic, he closed the browser and deleted it. But the hacker had already extracted all his information. After a few days, Darius arrived home and found his front door open. He went inside his room and discovered a note on his bed that read, "Thought we wouldn't find you?" Disturbed, Darius called the police, but they did not take his case seriously and only dispatched 2 patrol cars. In his final letter, Darius wrote, "Today I got up early and nothing suspicious has happened. I'll keep you all up to date." This was the last anyone heard from Darius. It seems like something dreadful or sinister might have happened to Darius over the past 2 years, since there is no information available about him. What do you think might have happened to Darius? This incident serves as a chilling reminder of the severe consequences that can arise from accessing the dark web. Darius' curiosity led him to log into the dark web. That's all for today's video. If you like the video, give thumbs up. And thanks for joining us on this journey to learn about the dark web. Remember, it's not a safe place to explore. Stick to the regular internet for positive and fun experiences. Be smart and responsible online. And always seek help from a trusted adult if something seems strange or unsafe. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational content and stay tuned for our next adventure. Stay safe, be kind, and enjoy the brighter side of the internet. Thanks for watching and see you soon.